Hey guys, we're gonna unbox this Asus VivoBook. It's the X412UA. Let's see if I can show you. X412U. There's all the specs and the stuff that's inside here. It's got Windows 10 on, obviously, but it's a 7th gen laptop, still an i3. Not a very new machine, but we haven't unboxed one of these yet. So let's open it up and see what's inside. This is a nice low profile machine. I just love unboxing these Asus machines because they've got nice boxes and stuff. When you open it up, it says "In search of incredible." So yeah, let's check this out. Again, this is the laptop. Let's just put this to the side and see what is in here. What else is in here? Okay, a little charger, very compact. It doesn't need much to charge, but yeah, that's what's in there. I don't think there's anything else in the box, so let's put this to the side. And let's have a look at the little laptop itself. They also give you a nice little sleeve just to keep the scratches away. On the sides we've got HDMI and USBs, one of the Type C's and one of the USB 3s, and on this side I think we've got another USB, yes, an SD card, SD card slot, and just a little place where you can lock the machine. Okay, let's open it up. Let me put it down. Okay, take that away. Okay, so yeah, clearly as you can see, it's got a nice touchpad, fingerprint reader. Some of them they've got a numpad here. I don't know if this one has that, but yeah, i3 7th gen. Let's switch it on and see if it'll come on. Oh no, I think it needs to charge first, but in any case I'll put it on charge and see how it's like. Okay, I got this little 14-inch Asus VivoBook all charged up. It's now busy installing Windows 10, one of the updates. At this stage it's build 1909, and yeah, it's a really compact little machine. I've got a 13-inch Vio of my own, and this machine is smaller than that, even though this is a 14-inch. So it's very compact. Let me see if I can. Let me turn off the lights so that you can maybe see. It's got this backlit keyboard with 4 different settings: off, low, medium and high. So you'll be able to type easily in the dark. Very nice feature for a machine like this. Yes, everything else on it is standard, but the machine itself works very nicely. It's with an NVMe, it makes the machine a pleasure to work with. No, there's nothing else, not much going on this machine, other than what we've already shown you. I think, yeah, I won't be able to show you anything else now. But oh yeah, maybe the cores. Let's quickly see if I can get to that. Performance, CPUs. Let's see. if we go to logical processors. This is a dual core machine, and yeah, 2 cores, 4 threads, and 8 gigs of RAM. Very nice, compact, and it's got everything you need to work on the plane or home or car or wherever you want to go. The battery is also, I think they give it like 4 hours or more. At this stage it's still charging, so I can't actually tell you what will be the maximum time that the battery will last. Okay, yeah, thanks for watching, and hopefully this can show you a bit more about the Asus X412U. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye.